Good morning, Theo. It's breakfast time. Oh, good morning. Sorry, I'm trying to balance you, and I'm not very good. Nobody bought me a tripod. Nobody bought me a selfie stick for Christmas, so I could do this. Nobody. Let me shut my junk cupboard. It's all junk. It's all junk. I went running with my friend Claire this morning. I'm nearly got my ankle. Really sore. That just reminded me I shouldn't go. Ah! You'll be dead, please. I was there running, and then I was like, my ankle really hurts. It really hurts, Claire. It's got all puffy ankle. So I'm feeling a bit sorry for myself because I was really up for it. So I came back and I put some frozen sweet corn on it. So I didn't have any peas, couldn't find the peas. Give me the sweet corn, give me the sweet corn. So I wrapped my ankle in sweet corn. And it's feeling a little bit better. I've had some tablets, feeling a little bit better. But I shouldn't be having these problems at my age. Goodness, it's not like I'm 90. Shouldn't be having these problems. I'm trying to be healthy, and every step of the way I'm just hijinxed by a bad ankle or a bad chest or a head injury. It's just pointless, isn't it? So I thought I'd carry on, start to mean to go on, as they say, because I have eaten a lot over Christmas. Have you? I have. Oh, it's Christmas. I'll have another well, you just eat stuff you wouldn't normally eat, wouldn't you? I mean, you wouldn't normally buy big chocolate tubs and have one for breakfast, would you? You just wouldn't. But I have. So that's it now. No more. No more, Mrs. Nice Lady. No more. No more. No, we've got one of these. I don't know why. We've got one of these at home. It's a spirit measure. Yeah, right, like we need one. Yeah, so my daughter got a smoothie maker for Christmas. Now she wants to just make smoothies all the time. But you know, fruit's really expensive. She's like, I want strawberries and raspberries and blackberries and blueberries and kiwis and lemons. And I put it on in my next smoothies, which is lovely. But we're gonna go and find some frozen fruit and try it that way. You never know what our concoctions, that's a good word, concoctions will be. Broccoli and seaweed and ding-a-doo, ding-a-ding-a-doo, ding-a-doo, ding-a-ding-a-day, ding-a-doo, ding-a-ding-a-doo, yeah, so there we are. Yeah. Very noisy, my dog. Yeah, so, oh, just to fill you in, my washing machine's broken. Between Christmas and New Year, my washing machine's broken. So, no washing machine. You're washing everywhere, you're washing machine. No money to buy a new one. We are insured, which is one thing we just have to do, is insure the washing machine. Because, sorry, I'm so tired. Because if I didn't have a washing machine, I would cry on a daily basis. So I will cry, but they're coming next Wednesday, so I've only got a week, just under a week to wait. And then I'll have to order a part, won't they? And because it's January, it's not going to come for about 17 weeks. Mrs. Johnsfield in the summer. So I have to be out there with my washboard. Washboard, washing pants in the icicles. Not good. But we'll live. At the end of the day, it's just a washing machine, innit? It might smell a bit, but you're used to that. Not smelly vision. Smelly, smelly vision. Scratch and sniff. Oh, it smells lovely. I want to go now. I need some caffeine. Caffeine. What song was that? Don't, Ninja Cat. Come here, Ninja Cat, say hello. Oh, isn't she pretty? Isn't she pretty? She's a ninja, but she's pretty. She's a pretty ninja. You're a pretty ninja. You're a pretty ninja. Look at them claws. Ah! I'll put her down. Hello, puppy. Yes, you too. You're pretty too. I'll put her down because once she gets those out, she's like, yeah, so I'm gonna go. All right, darling. Keep moving, keep moving. Yeah, so all is well. And Shamala Jam, all is well. Right, I'm going push. That's climbing up my legs. See you later, alligators.